When people think about making a living on YouTube, they usually picture viral videos with millions of views. That model is getting tougher. Corporate thresholds for monetization are rising, requiring thousands of watch hours before you see a single cent of traditional ad revenue. But there is a different approach. Affiliate marketing allows you to generate a full-time income from a highly targeted audience, even if your overall view counts remain low. Consider channels dedicated entirely to specific software tutorials. A single video might only get 600 or 700 views, but because every viewer is actively looking to set up an account, the conversion rates yield massive returns. By stepping away from the viral lottery and focusing strictly on high-intent buyers, anyone can build a reliable passive income engine. Step 1 starts at your laptop. Open up a blank YouTube search bar. Type the phrase, "How to create a," space, and then type the letter A. Stop there and look at the autocomplete dropdown. These suggestions aren't random. They show exactly what users are actively trying to learn right now, like setting up Amazon seller accounts. Next, delete the A and type the letter B. Document the entirely new list of autocomplete suggestions that appears. You will immediately see highly specific search queries for things like Binance accounts or AI bot applications. If you execute this systematically from A to Z, you instantly generate a roadmap of 30 to 50 proven, high-demand video topics. No guessing required. Once you have hundreds of search terms, you face a new problem, identifying which of these topics actually make money. Take a screenshot of your YouTube autocomplete drop-down list. Upload that screenshot directly into ChatGPT and ask the AI to point out which of those tools and services offer affiliate programs. The AI will filter the list and identify high-ticket opportunities for you, pointing out web hosting services, domain registrars, and corporate platforms like Shopify. These specific platforms often pay out substantial recurring commissions for every user who signs up through your link. Using AI as an immediate validation filter ensures you only spend time recording tutorials for topics with a proven back-end payout. This chart shows the complex interface of a Bitcoin trading platform. You might look at this and feel you lack the technical skills to teach topics like crypto wallets or web development. To solve this, click on your chosen search term and watch the top 3 currently ranking tutorials. The goal here is not to plagiarize. You are using these free resources to learn the exact steps required to complete the setup process yourself. Your task is to record a fresh video. Make sure it is updated for the current year, clearly spoken, and generally higher quality than the existing competition. The most crucial step for conversion happens after the video is exported. Place your specific affiliate link in the video description and pin it as the top comment. You do not need to be an original expert. You simply need to be a clearer, more up-to-date guide than the current top search results to capture those affiliate clicks. Now that your core foundation of 30 to 50 long-form videos is built, it requires an external traffic catalyst. Take your main tutorials and chop them up to extract punchy 60-second highlights. Upload these vertical cuts to capture the platform's algorithmic reach. Shorts capture mass awareness at the top of the funnel, driving those viewers directly to your deep-dive long-form tutorials. Remember, endlessly consuming business videos yields zero income. You actually have to execute these steps. Repurposing your long-form content into vertical highlights creates a self-sustaining traffic loop. It feeds new buyers to your affiliate links without requiring you to shoot entirely new content. Following this method step by step results in a 50-video library that operates as an automated 24/7 sales team. This does require a heavy one-time setup, but once established, it pays dividends for years, especially if you update the videos annually. Your immediate next step is to choose a software or service niche today. Sit down at your computer and perform your first A search. Look at the real world around you. Stop scrolling, wake up your ambition, and start building your first digital asset. True online wealth is not about chasing temporary viral fame. It comes from methodically building a hyper-targeted library of evergreen affiliate assets.